How to change the Instagram chat theme from gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking how you can change your Instagram chat theme from gallery. So in this video, we're gonna find out how can we do it. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the chat icon shown on the top right corner of the screen and you will enter the chat section. From there, select the chat you want to change the theme for. You can either open an existing conversation or start a new one. Once you have opened that, simply tap on the profile name at the top of the screen and this will open the chat settings page where you can customize the conversation. On the chat settings page, look for the theme options and simply tap on it. And Instagram will show you various themes you can choose from. Scroll down and see for the option gallery. Unfortunately, after the update, Instagram has removed the gallery option from the theme. So at the time that I'm making this video, you can't change the theme in Instagram chat from your gallery. But you can definitely change the chat theme from the options given below. And that's it for the video. I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.